As you all have read by the title, today's video is going to be a 360 bun wig tutorial. So I did do this bun wig 2 days ago using this 360 wig that I received from Arabella Hair.
I'ma run it up, marathon and stamina. Need to spark this blood, bruh. I need a flint. I'ma light it up, high until I'm tight enough. Double with the cup, then I do it up. Yeah, I got Gucci, I rock Louis, I buy Burberry, just give it all to me, call me foolish. When I swap, I don't think twice, I don't care about the price. Cause my money well spent, why your money well dry? Every day I fly on the jet, basketball game, shout out to the Nets. I'm on Columbia, it is what it is. So sorry, Kyrie, I couldn't resist. I know, you don't wanna spend all of your money on some clothes. I got too much and you can see it from the door. Real high ceilings and a view on woe. Your girl was getting low, peep the hunters on the floor. Fiji diamonds look like Poseidon, look real wet. Your money well dry, but my money well spent. I'ma run it up, marathon and stamina. Need to spark this blood, bruh. I need a flint. I'ma light it up, high until I'm tight enough. Double.
Okay, you see that? Look at that, look at that. So I think the bun is looking a lot better today than it did when I first installed it. The only thing is there is like a little bit of like patch of glue right here, so my forehead looks brighter on my camera than it does in real life. But other than that, I think this wig looks really good. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the back again. So this is what it looks like in the back. I did re-glue the back down today. I kind of glued it down in the back a little wrong, and it was kind of like scrunching up back here. So there might be like the elastic band might be visible in the back, but I did like try to put concealer on it. I kind of wish that I just didn't put the elastic band on. If you're gonna do this out, I'll say just like skip the elastic band because it's probably gonna show through the back of the lace. But I decided to put it on because the wig was kind of feeling a little loose on my head before I glued it down.